Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see by the title, it's going to be a hair video, how I get my hair straight and sleek. It's literally like 2 in the morning, about to be 3 in the morning, and I'm like sitting up here beating my face doing my hair. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I get my hair this silk straight in just like 10 minutes, just keep watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow me on my Instagram page at KarinaG_. That is KARINAJI_. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to see how I got my hair this silk straight bob, just keep watching. Hey y'all, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm gonna be recording a quick hair tutorial on this page. I have my Amani Blink Silk Satin hair scarf. Usually I use it to lay my edges, but honestly I use a scarf for everything. Like when I do my makeup, I always have it on just to keep the hair out my face. Look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair into this sleek bob. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some dry shampoo. I use the Freeman Repair and Protect dry shampoo, the coconut and keratin one. This one, let me see. Ooh, is it gonna show you? Okay, well I use this one. So pretty much I'm just gonna spray it around the perimeters of my hair, my scalp, because it gets super oily. Wherever it gets oily, I kind of spray this. I know I look crazy, y'all, but whatever. Because my hair was done, but like I slept on it and like wore up. And you kind of want to just kind of brush the product through your hair. This is crazy. Let me see where my part is. Y'all, it's like literally, it might be 2 in the morning now. And I'm like sitting here with a beat face and trying to do my hair. Am I insane or what? Okay, my biggest pet peeve when I'm doing my hair and I have my makeup done is when my hair like sticks to my when my hair sticks to my lip gloss. I'd be like, if I wasn't on camera, I'd be screaming like, ah. I would be freaking out like, bruh, that is so annoying. Like, that would no, especially when the hair like sticks onto your lip gloss and it like makes a mark. Like, I think that actually just happened to me. Okay, I got it off, luckily. I got lucky this time. But if I'm wearing like a darker like lipstickers or lip gloss or something, it's ruined. Oh my gosh, like what's going on? I can't part my hair for some reason. Okay, let me get my flat iron. So I'm just gonna, what's going on? So the dry, I only just got on dry shampoo. I was watching Sarah Camilla's channel, and she was like, I can't get my flat iron. Hold on, malfunction. But yeah, she was like doing a video on how to repair your hair extensions or whatever, or to make them like look brand new or something like that. And I saw that she used a dry shampoo, and honestly I had always wanted to try dry shampoo, but I just didn't think like it would work, so I just, you know, I never tried it. But like I thank God that I like actually went and purchased it, because my hair gets like really oily. Like, I don't want to wash my hair every day. Like, I don't know. I don't want to wash my hair every day. I want to wash my hair like, I like washing my hair like every 3 days, but my hair gets so oily. Like, once I wrap it for bed, oh, that's a wrap. It's going to be like a freaking oil monster when I wake up. So this dry shampoo definitely helps, because like usually, you know, like let's say I'll do my hair. Let's say my hair was freshly washed and I like did it today. When I go to sleep, my scalp and everything is going to be oily. And I'm going to have to like, it's just not going to look right if I try and do it again. So I'm pretty much going to have to like wash my hair again if I want my hair to look nice. Like, it's insane. Oh my God, what is going on with my hair? like, what? Usually I just run the flat iron through my hair and I'm like fine, especially since I like just did my hair, but it's like want to show out for y'all. So yeah, okay, it's kind of looking decent on this side. I love this flat iron. It gets like so hot. Ouch, I burnt myself. It gets so hot. And this is the only, oh, you know what? I want to invest in a Baby Bliss. My friend let me use hers, and that thing, like when I tell you my hair look good, like I never seen my real hair look that good from a flat iron. But that flat iron is like $200, and I don't know if I'm ready to make an investment like that. This flat iron was 200. I think this flat iron was like 190. I don't know, but I know it was like 150 probably, I think. But it was actually my cousin's, and she like bought it from the mall. So it's a really good flat iron. Obviously I'm still using it, but it's a really good flat iron. She paid like 150 for it, and she ended up giving it to me because she's like natural. She like wants to just do her natural hair now, like no heat or anything on her hair. Like she doesn't want any more heat damage or anything like that. And she let me have this, so I'm like really thankful, because you know I'm not spending $150 on no hair. I mean no hair on a flat iron. Okay, it's kind of coming together, y'all. Honestly, I just really, that dry shampoo is really what does it for me. And then like me straightening my hair. I mean, what am I talking about, bruh? I'm like losing my mind because it's like literally 2 in the morning. I'm like tired, but I can't go to sleep. Like I dead serious have insomnia. Like it's crazy. Like I don't go to sleep. And then plus I have like a lot on my mind. Like I have so much on my mind. Like can't sleep. It's crazy. Like I'm just like, no, I can't sleep. And I wish I could. Okay, now we're looking like something, y'all. Now we're looking like something. But yeah, I just have too much on my mind. I cannot go to bed. I'm tired. I'm like, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm like trying to tell y'all how I feel, and I don't even know. I'm so tired. I don't know. It's really late, y'all. Like I don't even know how I feel, honestly. It's like I'm not thinking straight. Like I said, I have like so much on my mind. I'm tired, but I can't go to bed. And this has like been happening like the past week. I don't know, I just don't get sleep. And like I have really bad dark circles now. Like my under eyes are like blue black, like somebody punched me in the eye. I hate doing the back of my head. It just never turns out right because I can't see back there. Like I wish I had a friend that could just like do that for me every time I needed my hair done. Okay, we looking like something now, y'all. But yeah, this is a crazy night, y'all. I'm like on an emotional roller coaster, on top of having insomnia. Like I can't sleep. I'm just up, and I'm like, well, let me just film since I'm just like up doing nothing. You know what I mean? Like let me kind of be semi-productive or something, like do something with my time. And I'm just gonna wrap my hair, and hopefully it doesn't mess up for tomorrow. Like hopefully it like kind of stays done, so like tomorrow I don't have to do like my hair. I don't know. I'm not feeling that piece right there. Let me butter in that some more. Okay. Oh. Alright. Okay. There we go. My hair looks good on camera, but in person, What is this long piece? Like I'm getting annoyed. So yeah, the dry shampoo really does it for me, y'all. Like I wish I would have been using it so long ago. Like, bruh, I played myself. Still some like wavy pieces, and it's messing up like the formation of my bob. Okay, what is this? Like all, y'all, it's hard filming a hair tutorial low-key. Okay, let me see. Let me brush this side and make sure everything is coordinated. Make sure the back. I have no idea what the back be looking like, y'all. Okay. Okay. I love this side. Like, why? Oh, wait. No, I don't. Okay. Oh, don't fall. Yeah, the back, it doesn't look. Okay, wait. I'm trying to see, y'all. Okay, I think the back is okay. I think the back is okay. This side is not the good side, as you can see. But yeah, I just straighten my hair. The dry shampoo definitely plays a part in why my hair looks so good. Otherwise, if I didn't use that dry shampoo, it would be greasy and it just would be so terrible, like to the point, like, ugh. I'm just thinking and I'm upset because I played myself back in the day, like when I did not use dry shampoo. Okay. So yeah. But I'm not all the way done yet. Let me see. Oh, okay, I like it, I like it. My hair keeps like grabbing onto my gloss. Now what I'm gonna do is take this Mega Hold hairspray and just flatten the top. I like my top to be like really flat. I like it to look really sleek, especially that part right there. I'm not even gonna like do the most about that. Okay. And then I'm gonna take a little bristle brush and just smooth all of it down. This like helps with like the flyaways. I like my top to like be really flat, and it helps with all that, the hairspray. I don't like using gel up there. It just gets flaky and it just starts being messy. And then I'm gonna take my flat iron, and this is gonna help with that, with like flattening it. That's not a word, but you know, flatten it out, I guess. Flatten it out, yeah, flat it out, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So, yep. There we go. Ooh, okay. There we go. Okay. So this is my hair, y'all. Very sleek, very straight. This is like, I love my hair like this. I love short hair. I love like the whole bob look, the sleekness. Like, yes. All right, y'all. So that is going to be the end of this tutorial. I'm talking about the end and I'm still like flat ironing it. I like kind of trying flat iron it away from my face. Okay, I can turn that off now. My nose is still running, like what is going on? But yeah, this is my hair, y'all. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me like literally straighten my hair for like 10 minutes. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Karina G_. I forgot my Instagram name that fast, y'all. It's so late. Like my mind is just like it's too much. It's too much. But thank you all so much for watching. See you next time in my next video.